Cheers to Chef Sheila.
Hi everyone, Chef Sheila here with you today to share a healthy way to beat the summer heat, creatively consume fresh fruits and vegetables, and to add some excitement to your child's next event. Yes, today I will be making popsicles for our little friends at our MBS event. Here we have 2 cups of pineapple puree, 2 cups of mango puree, and a special mixture adapted from the winning recipe of the Nutrition in a Glass competition, the registration department. Oh, and best of all, there is no added sugar. Next, pour your mixture into the popsicle molds. No popsicle molds? No problem. Just purchase some biodegradable cups, wooden lollipop sticks, and voila!
Okay, children, it's break time. Come this way. Come.
Yummy!
Yummy! We hope you will try these nutritious popsicles at home. Remember to stay hydrated this summer by drinking adequate amount of water. Thanks for watching!
Bye!